Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. This is Palas Mesram and I am individual. First of all guys, how are you? I hope you all are good and doing well in your life. So guys, today I'll share my one of my favorite trading setup which is based on a RSI divergence or a divergence trading setup. Okay. Uh, According to this setup, we will only take a swing trades or a positional trades. Okay. I hope you already know about what is swing trades and positional trades. Okay. uh, if you don't know about divergence, you can watch my previous video which is based on a RSI indicator or a MACD indicator. You can find link of these videos in the description box. Okay. And I totally cover the divergence guys. Okay, so divergence is simply that when indicator doesn't follow the price. Okay, which means price makes a higher highs but indicator makes a lower high, so that is a divergence. So divergence guys, simply two types. One is normal divergence and second is a advanced divergence. Okay, so we will only use a normal divergence because we will work in the equity segment. So in the equity segments we can only take a long positions. Okay, that's why we will only use a normal divergence. Okay, and in the normal divergence guys, we will only use a bullish divergence. Okay, so there is a two types of normal divergence. Okay, so one is in the in the normal divergence there is a two types of divergence, normal divergence. Okay, so one is bullish divergence and second is bearish divergence. So we will only use bullish divergence because we will uh, work in the equity segments. Okay, so the bullish divergence is that uh, is that uh, price makes a lower bottoms. Okay, but indicator makes a higher bottoms. That is called a bullish divergence. Okay, so we will only use this setups. Okay, so that is the intro of the our setups. Okay, so now let's go to the our second point, which is money management. Okay, in the money management we will only use a 2% of uh, 2% of money of our overall capital. Okay, let's say you have a 10 lakh of capital. Okay, you have a 10 lakh of capital, so we will only use a 2% of this capital, which means 20,000 rupees. Okay, so let's understand with this example. So this is a XYZ stocks. Okay, so the current price of this stocks is at 100 rupees. Okay, so we buy at 100 rupees. Okay, and the stop loss is at 90 rupees. Okay, so the difference of our entry price and stop loss price is 10 rupees. Okay, so our risk is 20,000 rupees and the difference of our entry price and the stop loss price, so that is 10. Okay, so the quantity will be is only we buy only a 2000 quantity of this stocks. Okay, so uh, okay, so that is a money management. Okay, now let's go to third point, which is risk reward ratio. Okay, so the risk reward ratio will be 1 raised to 3 ka. Okay, so 1% the risk is will be 1% and the target will be 3%. Okay, as we are taking a 2% of risk of our overall capital, then the target will be 6%. Okay, so that is the risk reward ratio. Okay, so and move on to the third point, which is setups. Okay, so in the setups we use two charts guys. One is daily time frame chart and second is hourly time frame chart. We will use a daily time frame chart as a higher time frame chart or a trend for the find a trend on the daily time frame chart. Okay, as we get let's say there is a uptrend in the daily time frame chart, so we will only take a long trade. Okay, so let's and the second chart is hourly time frame chart. So this chart, we use this chart as a entry time frame chart. Okay, and we will use two indicators. One is RSI and then second is MACD. So MACD, we about MACD indicator we use as a buy signals. Okay, so and then uh, let's talk about our rules. Okay, so first rule is there should be a rally in upward direction. So that no. Okay, so our we will wait for the rally. Now if we get a rally on a hourly chart, then we will wait for the price correction. Okay, in the three waves or a fifth waves. Okay, uh, if we get a divergence on the third wave, then we will take an entry, or if we don't get a divergence on third wave, we will wait for the fifth wave. Okay, so that is the second rule, huh? And third rule is that divergence should be above the previous resistance levels. Okay, and our fourth rule will be the wait for the buy signal in the MACD indicator. Okay, so this is the setup, guys. Okay, so let's talk about entry and exits. So entry will be when we get a buy signal on a MACD, so that will be entry, and stop loss will be recent low. Okay, and our target will be 3 times of the difference points of our entry points and the stop loss price. Okay, so that is the entry and exit. So let's see some example, guys. Okay, this is the chart of Asian Paints, guys. Okay, this is the daily time frame chart, or we can clearly see there is a uptrend. Okay, it is making a higher bottoms. Okay, so this is a uptrend. Okay, let's move to the hourly time frame chart. Okay, and we can so our setup, yeah, there is our setup, guys. Okay, this is our setup. First of all, our first rule is that uh, we have to see some rally in the upward direction. Okay, so this is the upward rally. Okay, so our first rule is met. Okay, then we will wait for the price correction, guys, in the three forms or a fifth waves. Okay, so yep, this is the first wave. Okay, and let's go, yep, and then we get a second wave. Okay, and we get a third wave. Okay, we can clearly see there is a divergence in the on the RSI indicator. Okay, so this is the first wave bottom. Okay, so that, and this is the third wave bottom. Okay, so we can clearly see a divergence on RSI indicator. Okay, but in the MACD indicator, see, there is no divergence, so this is not the perfect scenario for this setup. Okay, so we will wait for the fifth wave. Okay, so now this is the fourth wave. Okay, and there is a fifth wave. Okay, so there is also a divergence on the RSI indicator. Okay, and there is also a divergence in the MACD indicator. So this is the best scenario for our setup. Okay, so we will wait for the buy signal on the MACD indicator. Okay, and so you can see a positive value of histograms. Okay, so there is negative value and negative value, and yeah, the there is a positive value, so this is the our buy signal. Okay, so our entry will be high of this candle. When it crosses its high, so we will take a long positions. Okay, so and our exit will be recent low. Okay, so this will be our exit, and target will be 3 times of this difference price. Okay, and we can measure with this tool. Okay, and 1:3. Yeah, so that is our long positions, and we can clearly see here it achieved our target price. Okay, so that is the setup, guys. So I hope, guys, you understand everything, and if you don't get my points, so you can watch it again this video. Okay, and if you want to ask something, then do some comments. And if you enjoy this video, then you can like the button, and you can share this video to your friends and your family who trades the market, so that will be very helpful for them. And if you are new here, then click to subscribe my channel, guys, and click the bell icon also, so which you can get a notification of my upcoming videos, guys. Okay, so that's all for me today, guys. We will see you in the next video. Bye.